Good evening, ma'am. I am Norly Diligmon, first year. I'm taking of Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English. I'm from Kalasongay Cluster, Mindanao. This is the continuation of our Group 4 report entitled Poverty and Inequality, the Continent of the World. And my topic, ma'am, is addressing inequality, the 10 methods. Addressing inequality, the 10 methods includes universal healthcare, progressive taxation, and gender equality. Second, social safety nets using unemployment insurance and food aid to protect the vulnerable during crises like COVID-19. Number 1, basic needs, universal health care. Ensure a healthy, productive workforce for everyone. This means providing healthcare services for everyone, not just those who can pay, but also ang mga tao na mahihirap na kulang sa financial. Number 2, education, increase access to education, improves skills and increases future income potential, or giving more people access education helps them gain skills and improve their chances of getting a better jobs and higher income and have an access to education. Example, the government provides free tuition and school supplies for students from low-income families. Number 3, social justice, gender equality. Closes the pay gap and support maternity rights. That means ensure the men and women are treated equally, receive equal pay, and that women right like maternity leave are protected. Number 4, progressive taxation. Redistribute wealth by taxing higher earner more. Example, a rich business owner pays higher taxes than a minimum wage work. Number 5, policy minimum wages laws. Protects the basic living standards of workers, or laws that set the lowest salary workers can receive so they can afford basic living needs. Number 6, welfare, social safety nets. Provides insurance during crises like during COVID-19 pandemic, or giving financial aid, unemployment benefits, or food support. Number 7, housing, affordable housing, or making housing more accessible so low-income families can have a safe place to live. Example, the government builds low-cost housing so poor families can have a safe and affordable home. Number 8, social justice and end discrimination. Social justice involves creating fair system that ensure equal rights, opportunities, and resources for all. And discrimination ensure equal opportunities regardless of race and gender or background. Example, A school accepts students equally regardless of their gender, and race, or their religion. Number 9, economy and support small businesses. Create local jobs and encourages dependence, or helping small businesses businesses grow and create jobs. Example, government gives bans or training to small store owners. Loans day. Government gives loans or training to small store owners. Number 10, infrastructure, digital and transit access. Bridges the gap between urban and rural opportunities, like building roads, internet, and transportation so everyone can access opportunities. Example, providing free Wi-Fi in rural schools so students can study online. That's all my report. At dito po nagtatapos ang aking report, ma'am. Thank you po.